Okay, we're here with Tim Erickson. Hey Tim, and we just got a look at Clove, and Clove, Tim, which is in the background,
Sure.
is really kind of being billed as a TweetDeck killer.
Sure.
Why is that?
A couple of things. TweetDeck's very walled garden. It's a closed network. It only has support currently for Twitter, Facebook, and MySpace. What we've built is something that is social network agnostic. This means it has support for all of the social networks out there that have an API, which is nearly all of them. So this means that you have support for, across the world, Bebo and Orkut are more popular than Facebook. So this is huge for those users. Another thing is we've developed a way that people can sort content in new ways. You can group your columns. You can decide if you want to have more than one feed of content inside of a singular column. You can also interact with that column that meshes your social networks. You can post to more than one social network at once. You can...
So it's both input of information and then distribution of information.
Absolutely.
You have something very interesting that you talked about today as a editorial for Clove, in the Clove envelope.
Sure.
For home and garden. Tell us a little bit about that. How is that going to be used?
Sure. So Living Home is a branded version of Clove that basically comes pre-subscribed to all sorts of feeds of content that you might be interested if you're looking into home and garden renovation or your kitchen or bath. Let's say you're redoing a deck. That's a big 2-year process that you're doing all sorts of Google searches. What we want to do is give you an application that has all of this content at your fingertips. Instead of having to go out and search for it and manage this content, you can very quickly find this information. This is important for brands because you can create an application that's branded with your logo, your content, and it's usable by your consumers, by your clients or your readers.
Right, and the readers can subscribe to feeds. They're going to get editorial content, but they're also going to be able to use this to consumer shop, price shop, right?
Definitely. So you not only are we pushing content to the user, but they can add their own content, and you can build plugins that have built-in shopping carts or comparison shopping across various networks.
We'll look for more. You're going into beta this week.
This week, that's correct.
Where, if people want to sign up for the beta, can they go to the site, or how do you want to do that?
Yeah, go to cloveapp.com, and that should be up either this week or early next week.
Excellent. Thanks, Tim.
Yep.